Hello everyone, I thought I'd just do a quick update for you in lieu of my returning to ArcisFX next week for back to the full program. But I thought I'd quickly do an update. I've got the cryptos in front of me, looks quite good, Bitcoin bouncing out of its support zone. So there's a lot to talk about with government shutdown ending, capital flowing in, liquidity emerging back in again, and potential adjustments by the Fed on liquidity and so on. So Bitcoin, Ethereum, all the alts picking up a little bit, including some of the smaller ones down at the bottom here. Dollar is moving down quite rapidly as we're seeing our longs on the Aussie doing okay. Short on the dollar yen, just a fresh short this morning. The US desires the dollar to be weaker, and it probably will move down. And that should drive things up like the NASDAQ, the S&P, long on those two. I'm long on the German 30 and long on some of these names. Not doing too well on MSTR, for example, Tesla, droopy a bit, Coinbase, Nvidia. But I think we'll see in pre-market, you can see they're picking up a little bit already. And then metals, once again, I'm short on gold, looking to get into the blob to sell. A very tiny position there, but I'm now long on silver as a hedge against the gold short. And also short on copper. I don't want copper to reach the top of the triangle, otherwise it will become more probable, more likely to break out the top and the bottom and follow path B rather than A. Natural gas, I'm fully hedged at the top here, long at the green arrow. You'll have been following this probably. Long over there and hedged at the top. 1, 2, 3 pushes up, drooping up down a bit now. We are still at support and the 20-period moving average, and I'm still hedged. I'll decide what to do shortly. In the next few candles, I'm also short on WTI oil. That's moving down very dramatically yesterday. Look at that big move. Let's go back to the 1 hour chart. Look at that big move from yesterday. Massive. That's a waterfall pattern. We talked about this in the Oil Prime stream. Beautiful waterfall pattern here on WTI. I'm short there. Looking for a move down through this, what it actually turned out to be, not to be rather, a bull flag. Now we're back down below the center line of that, moving down. That looks good. Sorry about the croaky voice. I've got a bit of a migraine too, but I wanted to get these updates out to you. Sugar, we're long. That's looking good, actually, moving up nicely. Cocoa, I'm looking to get short. No position just yet. Still looking for that sort of thing, but I am short on coffee. That's moving down rather nicely. Bouncing out of that zone, back down. Might add some more to that actually today. Soybeans, I'm out, taking profit. Lithium, out, taking profit. Wheat, out, taking profit. Corn, still long on corn. And hopefully that'll break up today as well. Maybe a little bit of a dip down to the purple arrow and then up. Don't know, but that looks okay. So not much going on in the softs and grains. I've moved quite a lot of the capital over into Bitcoin and stocks and Ethereum and XRP and all the rest. So, getting into some of these names. And I think we've got a good chance if liquidity flows in of everything moving up and the dollar moving down. We'll see how we go. Liquidity will, extra liquidity, extra dollars around will reduce the value of the dollar and increase asset value. And I think that's the whole plan, is dumping fiat currencies into appreciating assets as we go into this big switch out of, into hard assets, I think, away from fiat type currencies. Well, I hope that was useful. Please stay tuned. Make sure to like and subscribe. And from next week, scheduling is back to normal. I'll see you in regular videos. And I'll also see you on Sunday night. Make sure, Sunday night, this coming Sunday, for a live stream. Make sure to get hold of Crypto Paul's videos as well, showed on this channel. Like and subscribe. Follow all his crypto plays. There's a lot of crypto stuff happening in this next month. Probably in November. It might be all over. So if you want to get money made on the crypto markets, now's the time. Take care. Speak to you soon.
Stocks rising, markets parabolic. Bag me some cheddar, ain't no alcoholic. Charts looking sweet like a dodgy pie. Strategies tight, made I'm one fly guy. Tickets on fire, pockets getting deep. Gravy boat overflowing, losing no sleep. Stop loss in place, man, I'm wrapped up good. P's and Q's proper, no misunderstood. To the moon, diamonds in me hands. Forget the fun, I'm the man with plans. Profit traders popping, no time for scams. Ride this rocket, ain't worried about the jams.